Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is one a lot of you have asked about, and I totally get why. It's super useful and just a little tricky. We're going to walk through how to download content from your Wix site. Whether you need a backup of your media files or you're migrating to a different platform, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to save your Wix files quickly and safely. Now, let's be honest. Wix doesn't give us a simple, one-click download everything button. Their system is built mainly for hosting content online, so downloading all of your images, documents, or other files isn't as straightforward as you might expect. But don't worry, I'll show you the easiest technique that currently works. You don't need to install any weird third-party tools or mess around with complicated export settings. We're going to take advantage of the built-in Wix Media Manager. So let's get started. First, log into your Wix dashboard and head straight over to Media. This is where all the images, videos, audio files, and documents you've uploaded to your site are stored. Think of it as a big digital filing cabinet. Everything you see here represents content that's being displayed on your website, or just sitting in your library for potential use. Inside the Media section, find the tab or option labeled Site Files. This is important because it focuses on files specifically connected to your website content, rather than any external storage or shared folders. You'll see a series of folders. Maybe you've organized them by page, project, or type of media. Even if things are a little scattered, don't worry. Wix keeps everything you've ever uploaded. To grab all your files at once, click to select one of your folders in Site Files. If you want to be thorough, or you're not sure which folder holds what, go ahead and open each one so you're seeing all your files. Here's a useful trick. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+A. That's Control and the A key together. What this does is instantly select every file that's showing in that folder. You'll see them all highlighted, which means you've got them ready for the next step. If you're on a Mac, you'd use Command+A instead. Now comes the simple but crucial part. With all those files selected, right-click anywhere in the highlighted area. A menu will pop up, and you'll see the option to Download. Click on that, and Wix will begin to package your files up and send them to your computer. Depending on how many files you have, maybe it's just a handful of images, or maybe it's dozens or hundreds, this process might take a few moments. If you see the download starting, just let it run. The files will arrive as a zipped folder, most likely, so you'll need to extract them once they're done. It's worth noting that, as of now, this is the only built-in way to grab your Wix files in bulk. There isn't an official export website feature for media files, so we use this method. It's a bit manual, but it works. And hey, if you don't see the download button, double-check that you've selected everything, or try refreshing your browser. Sometimes it helps to clear your cache if things are acting up. So just to recap, head over to Media, select your site files, use Ctrl+A to highlight every file. Right-click and choose Download. Simple, practical, and it saves you a lot of time compared to downloading items one by one. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, maybe you hit a snag or your download isn't showing up, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more clear, hands-on guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck backing up your Wix files.